All right. What's on the agenda today for the M3? Today, if you saw my unboxing video, I've got a lot of pieces for the exterior. I got like the exterior trim pieces and the impact molding strips on the front and rear bumpers. But before I put all that stuff on, what I want to do is take everything like, take this off, and I basically want to give the car, and since I obviously can't wash it, what I'm going to do is use quick detailer with a bunch of microfibers, replace them as much as I can to clean the exterior off. Then I'm going to clay bar the exterior, and then I'm going to try and use the Griot's orbital to kind of polish and paint paint correction the body. I've never done it before. Cosmetology, the one I mentioned last time that sent me that, she kind of gave me a quick how-to to do it. So what better car to learn on than this? So I probably won't get there today. What I'm going to try and accomplish today is removing all the exterior moldings to get the car ready. I want to take off the emblems, I want to take off everything to get the car ready to be cleaned up and paint corrected. So yeah, that's the plan for today. We'll see how it goes. Forgot I gotta do this. First thing I'm gonna do is try and get off these side moldings, these trim pieces. I'm pretty sure they just pop out. So with a little effort, they'll pull out. That wasn't so bad. Oh baby. Ooh, well, isn't that interesting? Looks like we have some body work. Easy. That one looks fine. Huh, that's really interesting. All right. Round two. Okay. That's done. I think what I'm going to do now is just go hard on cleaning up the body. Just since I can't wash it, like I said earlier, I'm going to use, I'm going to waste a bunch of microfibers and just clean it up as best I can with quick detailer, flipping the microfibers so I don't reuse, dirty micros on it. Even though I'm going to polish it and stuff, you don't want to make it a ton worse. So yeah, I'm just going to get to cleaning up the body now that all the pieces are off. Ooh, by the way, if you have an E36 and your trunk latch is cracking like mine was, pick up one of these from M Sport Parts. It's a little plate that goes over the top. They have raw metal and I think black maybe. But it's really easy and it fixes that problem and it works great. So M Sport Parts, check them out. So again, I would not recommend doing quick detailer like I'm doing on a dirty car like this. Since I took the wheels off and it's jacked up and completely taken apart, I really can't wash it. I was thinking about doing the waterless wash from Ammo, NYC. But since I'm gonna buff it out and polish it, I don't think it makes too big a deal. I don't know, tell me if I'm wrong. So when I jack the car up, put it where it is, put it way too far forward. I have no room to work on this stuff. Lesson learned. All right, so I want to take the front bumper off, rear bumper's off. I don't know if I'm going to. I think it would be easier. But I think I'm just gonna take the headlights off right now. Oh, lesson learned. Before you jack your car up, make sure you have enough room where you're going to be working on it. All right, so what I like to do when I do stuff like this, I'm gonna put the bolts back into where they came from just because I don't wanna forget. And I don't wanna risk losing them. So I won't put them all the way, just a little bit. If you're trying to take off E36 M3, I don't know if it's the same for all E36s, but there are these, boom, 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 that you have to take off. They're just this part right here. So this still can spin, so you may have to hold that when you're taking them off. And then when the headlight's in, you can't see this, but all the way down right here there's a bolt, and right there there's a bolt. You have to get them from above. So same process, other side. I was gonna take off the front bumper, but since I took off the rear bumper a while back, I really just don't have enough room to take off the front and the rear. They're big pieces. So I think I'm gonna try and clean up the rear bumper and then put it back on the car, and then maybe take the front bumper off and put it where the rear bumper's sitting. Dude, it sucks not having enough room. I mean, garage builds are fun, but it would be tight to have like a shop, to do like a shop build. Yeah. That works well enough. Got that put back on, so now I'm going to take off the front bumper, clean it up like I did the rear bumper, and then put it back on. Again, I would leave all these off, but I just don't have the space in here. I mean, one of you guys wants to buy the R8. Someone buys the R8, I have more room in the garage, more parts money, win-win, win-win, win-win. All right, so I got the front bumper off. My front bumper was a little weird. I watched a few how-to videos. There are, let me get this for you, can't be doing you guys dirty. These things under the bumper, and they connect to the wheel well trim with fender liner. And this side, same thing, connected to the fender liner. But all the videos I watched said you had to completely take off the fender liner, and then there would be bolts on the sides holding the bumper. Mine didn't have that. Mine just basically was literally the underside pieces connecting to the wheel well trim, and then the front bolts had to be taken off, obviously. But that was it. Then it just slid off. So now I'm going to clean this up, get it ready for clay bar. And I'm probably gonna take out these lights too, because I don't need those in here, so. You know, while I'm doing this, I got the grill for this, so I'm probably gonna take that off too and replace that. I don't know if I'm gonna do the fog lights yet though. I'm gonna take these fog lights out, but I don't know if I'm gonna put the yellows in. I kinda wanna wait to do that. These fogs are really easy. I didn't need to take off all the screws and stuff. All you do, this little clip right here, just pull that, and then it just pops out. Texting a buddy because I could not figure out how to get these little things off. So these little, let's see, pins right here, they look like that, and they have this little thing on the end of them, and they are an absolute pain in the butt to take off, but I used this and I basically got behind it and kind of finagled it out. And you just have to be very, very, very patient with it and just work it out super slowly. It will come out. New plan of attack. I'm not removing these things anymore. I'm just gonna clip them because they are way too annoying. Okay, don't break. Did that work? Oh yeah. Oh, much easier. All right, so today is kind of one of those days where I feel like I didn't get much done, but I think I did. So basically, I went around and removed all the trim pieces from the body. I wiped the whole body down. Again, I couldn't wash it. Couldn't wash it, obviously, because it's not movable. So I hate to do this, but I did use quick detailer, wiped it down with a bunch of different microfibers. My plan now is to, I think I'm gonna clay bar it and get started on some of the paint correction, but I don't know if it's the right time to do that. I took the front bumper off and the lights because those are getting replaced with, boom, that stuff. And I can't put the front bumper on yet because I have a grill back here that I need to put in, and those little star clips, I forgot what they're called, but those little clips that I was having a hard time getting off, I ended up just cutting them because they're super cheap and readily available, so I cut them. I have to order more of those, then I can put the new grill back in there and put the bumper back on. And I gotta figure out where to go from here. Do I start putting back the interior? I still don't have seats. I ordered a steering wheel today. I need to order seats. Do I do paint correction right now? I don't know if I should. I don't know. I'm gonna clean up a little bit because I have some stuff to do outside of this today. So I'm gonna clean up, try and organize this as best I can. And yeah, hey, remember, ECS giveaway, $100, 500 subs, that's it. Let's get there as fast as we can so we can do a bigger giveaway at 1,000 subs. But yeah, 500 subs, $100 ECS giveaway, ECS gift card giveaway. I'm not too worried about where you live. It's digital, so I'll just send you the numbers. If you can order from there, you'll have to check. I have no idea. I'm not doing all the legality stuff. It's such a small giveaway, but let's get to 500, give that $100 away, and let's get to 1,000, give more money away. Like, subscribe, share, you guys know the drill. Let's get this thing built and get some money in your pocket.